Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI tip is to use some sort of icons or imagery in your list. So let's take a look at this table that we have right here. It's kind of blank, and we can add some sort of um, icon or imagery to quickly see maybe the team name or something else here. Say SMS here, maybe we can add some sort of image to the usernames here. And for this list also, maybe we can add a checkbox before this, something like let's just check that out. So maybe, yeah, we can add some sort of check before this, just saying that, yeah, if this is correct, why don't we add a check, something like this. Reduce the size and add the color. Yeah, I'll just add it to everything. Yeah, maybe we can componentize this, and I'll add another X over here. I'll reduce the size. I'll change the font to something destructive. Okay, so you already see here it's way better. And even if it's repeating, it looks good because the list is already repeating. With just a text, it won't look good, but with a text and an icon, it adds some value to the UI. So regarding this table, yeah, I just added another set of links icons to this one. So instead of having just the info warning with just the text, we can add some sort of icons. So when a user just sees this icon, they know what's happening, they know it's an error. So just so yeah, rather than having just the text with red, we can add an icon that clearly states, okay, something's happening. So yeah, in any list, just try to add something to that. The same goes for things like this. So we have the team names here. We could just add something else to that, whether we have the team logo, or if you have some other list with your names in it, something like this, we can add some imagery or some avatar like this. So anytime you do a list, just try to have that in mind. So here in the links, I added a icon over here. So without the icon, it will just be some wall of text, but if you add icon, you know that it's something's happening and it looks good. So rather than just the text repeating, with icon, it just looks good. But if you notice, I didn't add any icons here. That's because it already has some visual elements going for it. So these are just the metadata, and these are just the labels, and this is the actual value. But this has some visual representation going for it, rather than just the text that we have here. This has the left side, the right side. The right side has some icon colors and things like that. So we don't really need any icons or imagery for this. But if you come back to the sidebar here, this, if you didn't add the icons over here, this will just be a list of text. And if you didn't add the emoji over here, this will also just be a list of text. So never let that be. Just add something before that or even after that, so that you don't have a wall of text. You have something visually interesting, just to contrast that wall of text. And that's all. So, and even in your landing pages, yeah, I forgot that, even in landing pages, just don't have, in a list, don't have just a wall of text. Add something to it. Add a avatar or a icon, anything that you want, just to make it look better. Yeah, let me know if this helps, or if you have any other request for UI tips, something in marketing, something in application, something in mobile design, let me know. I'm happy to do that. That's all for now. Bye bye.